So the last thing we need to do to get this to match up with the wireframe is add this content right here that's between the title and the filter. In Views, this is called a header. So I'll go back to our Views Edit screen. I'll go to Structure, Views. I'll search for Tours right here and Edit. And what we want is right here. So let's click Add. And there's a lot of options here. We can inject a piece of content. We can add a rendered entity. We can add another view. What we want here is at the bottom, provide markup text for the area. So let's click Text Area and add and configure header. So the content that we want is in our wireframe here. It's to register or inquire about a particular tour, just use our contact form. I'm going to add that in real quick. So there was a link here and I just made it point to a hash symbol, which just points to the current page. We can come back here and edit this link once we have a contact form. All right, and I'll click Apply. And if we go down to the preview, we see our header right here. Let's save it and take a look at it from the front end. I'm going to go back to our incognito page and refresh, and there's our header.